So once we have a discount programs created, we can create various payment methods based on payment facilities we have. For example, if we have a credit card reader that will directly go into the bank, we have one payment method called bank, and then the default bank account will be configured, so all the payment we will receive will go under the bank. Then if we collect with the cash, this is another method we configure called cash, and the default account is petty cash account here, so that will directly go into the cash. And then we have some more configuration, like on the cash, when we close our POS session, how much difference amount will be applicable, like if there is a one or two digit of amount difference, we will allow to close the cash box. Maybe there is a issue of some change management, or if the some petty cash total are not verified with the total collected amount in the system and total checkout amount from the cash box. So we can have these limitations we can configure here. Amount authorization difference, we can say 10 dirhams here, then it will allow 10 dirhams difference. So based on your list of payment methods, we can configure all the payment methods like bank, cash, credit card. We have some wallet, vouchers, coupons. All the payment methods will be configured here. So once we have all the list of payment methods configured, everything will be automatically displayed on the point of sale screen when we go to perform the payment actions. Yeah, thank you very much.